We are closing out Death & Company Week with a tropical cocktail, the Koko B Ware. This one was created by Thomas Waugh, and no, that is not a picture of Thomas Waugh, but a picture of Koko Ware, the wrestler. And nothing is more tropical than a parrot on your shoulder. Out of the 7 cocktails this week, 3 of them were from Thomas Waugh, and these were not all of the rum cocktails in the book. These are just the ones that I gravitated towards, and the ones that I happen to have almost every ingredient for already. For this one, you'll need Angostura bitters, heavy cream, vanilla syrup, orgeat, lime juice, an aged agricole rum, and an aged Jamaican rum. You're gonna build this in a small shaker tin with 2 dashes of Angostura bitters, half an ounce of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla syrup, half an ounce of orgeat, half an ounce of lime juice, 1/4 ounce of an aged rum agricole, and 1.5 ounces of Jamaican rum. Just a quick shake with 3 ice cubes. Drink calls to strain into a coconut mug, which I don't have, so instead, I'm gonna use a coconut filled with nugget ice. I'm gonna garnish with nutmeg. All right, time to do the bird. Also, if you know Koko B Ware's pet bird's name, let me know in the comments below. So this is delicious. This is my first time. I've never had this one. I think that it's like a little bit, the flavors are very strong, which I think I like. The Angostura there, the rum agricole comes through in just a 1/4 ounce, but I don't know. I'm pretty sensitive to that, but I like it here. It's adding another like layer and dimension to the drink. But otherwise, just a little bit of lime juice, a little bit of orgeat, just a tiny bit of vanilla syrup. It's you know, it's strange because like this could easily be like a classic sort of tiki cocktail you'd find in a beach bum book, but you know, it's just it's really good. With the heavy cream, it's kind of leaning into those, you know, creamy resort tropical drinks, pina colada, painkillers, but it's better because it is more balanced. I think it could probably stand up a little bit better, a little more diluted in a drink mixer, but really just a overall delicious tropical drink. So is it my favorite of the Death & Company drinks? I don't know. They're all really good. I'm sure I'll be back to visit the book more in the future, but that's it for Death & Company Week. Those 7 cocktails, all great cocktails. So if you've been going through your old historical Trader Vic's books or your Beach Bum books or even Smuggler's Cove and you want something a little bit different, a little modern, but also familiar, all these cocktails work great. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a like below, consider subscribing to the channel, check out the Patreon page if you haven't already, and otherwise, see you on the next one.